Restaurant Hotel, also in Davao City. And so may I now call for short
Davao City Council we hold meeting every week. All the members, Mayor Sara Duterte. Davao City, as you observe, is very happy today because
ladies and participants, City of Davao. We hope that in your here in Davao, you will enjoy all the activities that our city can offer. Eco-tourism destination from our cultural heritage. Still, around 2016, as an annual international environmental promoting environmental awareness, and this pageant is includes Davao City is known as an advocate of environmental protection through the bar we pass, including the Davao City Ecological and the Anti-Smoking Ordinance. We are one with you in your aim to promote the environment and to address the problem of our environment. Once again, I welcome you and I hope that you will enjoy your stay here. Daghang salamat, mabuhay, at peace.
That ends our lecture program this afternoon. But before we finally leave, may we request the candidates to please have photo opportunity. Have it too much, yes, sir? We request brief, yes, sir, because we cannot accommodate them.
Arrange na lang natin, ma'am.
Yes, no.
Sa likod nila. Second box.
Okay. Dara mo. Anak ni Gabi Concepcion na mo.
Group number 2.
Group number 3. Group 2.